No filter.
Anyway, that's good enough. As long as it stays straight.
Where'd your dad go?
He's coming right now. He's over there. There he is.
I was up waiting.
Not cold, Troy? Do you have your jacket?
No. Okay.
So Gary should go there probably. Daddy should go there.
It's up.
Well, the wind.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
The wind seems to be good.
We're waiting for the wind to stop.
I know. Where are you going to?
I'll go over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come in, wait for me. I want to film it.
Everybody back. Everybody back.
Back off.
Wait, over, wait one second. Reach, we're filming from the same angle. Just go in the other camera.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Everybody ready?
Yeah!
Tesla to the besties, Big Bertha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Yay!
It works! It works!
What? Well, the wind did, but very little. It didn't get very.
Wait, it's a science experiment. There's a bunch of more to come.
It worked! Yeah!
Science project.
Take a picture of that. Take a